Hi traders, I just want to show you an example of the double bottom, double top and the price flip. So in this example, this is a 4-hour Aussie dollar chart, and you can see price is ticking along nicely here. These are 4-hour candles using a great piece of software called Forex Tester. Great to test strategies as well as practice on levels, fibs, trend lines, etc. So you can see in this example we've got a swing low point when price came down to this area previously. We had a very nice reaction from this area, and then price has come back down and sort of just sat around that level. So this is an area that I'll be interested to look for a pattern on a smaller time frame. So we mark this level off, and here again, what's nice about this way of trading is we mark these levels off beforehand. Price comes back to this area. I'll be interested to see if we can find a trading opportunity. You can see we get a very nice reaction. Now you don't have to put an order at this level because we just don't know if the level will hold or not. So if we go down to our smaller time frames, which I'm not going to do in this example, I just want to show you how we go about finding these levels. Okay, very, very important how we find these levels of interest. So that's essentially the double bottom. Pretty straightforward. We can then look at areas of key resistance for double or triple tops. Now you see this level up here, we had price come up to it previously, hit the level and reject it. So this could be an area where we would look at a possible triple top. So once again, we could mark this level off. If price gets up to that area, we could look for a pattern on the short time frame to sell. So we'll just follow price along. You can see a very nice move up. Now here again, you don't have to just sell into the level. We can look for patterns on the smaller time frame, but if we get reaction or a pattern around this level, we're keen to look for a sell. And you can see price sort of stalling out here again. Remember, these are zones, they're not specific numbers, so we can work with a few pips either way. You can see price starts to break to the downside off that area. So here again, nice area of resistance. That's your double top, double bottom. And in terms of price flips, here again, you can go and practice this a little bit, but you see this area here and resistance, a breakthrough back to resistance. This could be an area here that we may be interested in a possible buying opportunity, also known as a price flip, where we have resistance becoming support or support becoming resistance. So we can mark these levels off and just wait to see what happens around these areas. Let's see if price gets down to that level. See, we're breaking down. Okay, so there's the reaction of that area. Here again, you could look for a pattern on a smaller time frame to see if anything's happening around there. And here again, you can see this area. This is really your resistance becoming support type price flip. And you see up here again, you have area of support maybe becoming resistance. So if you've got a pattern around there, you can look for a sell. You can see here again, this is a 4-hour chart, big moves off these levels, so you could look for patterns around these areas. So I hope that's been helpful in finding your key levels, double bottom, double top, and then your price flip where resistance becomes support and support becomes resistance.